Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome to a new edition of Meet a Misfit, where we are going to introduce you to Niloufar. See how her journey with Misfits helped her transform from a helpless little girl into a powerhouse.
Hi, I'm Niloufar and I'm a Misfit. Before I became a Misfit, I was a dancer. So I've been artistic in the sense of dancing and performing, but never any sculpting or painting at all. I was basically pretty limited. I did start exploring different dances, and I started writing songs and singing and performing, and I got really into that. And then with Misfits, it was a very new discovery and realizing that as an artist that I don't need to be limited. I can really say now that I've really blown myself away, and I'm still discovering that, wow, no, I can do more and I can do better, and it's been a really amazing experience.
You did this in 30 minutes.
I did this in 30 minutes, which I broke my own record. My intention was to not think because I overthink a lot, and I decided not to, and I'm killing it. I really had this helpless little girl personality, and I was very much afraid of taking on responsibility and carrying something through. My strength was that, I was a performer, so I really brought like this fun energy to the group and joking around and making things vibrant.
Yeah. Get them all, baby!
Damn girl, what's your secret? You look so alive. You want to know my secret, girl? You guys want to know my secret?
Yeah!
Let me tell you.
Hallelujah.
While everybody's playing the goody goody, I'm having all the fun and getting groovy groovy. The greatest gift I've received from being a misfit, I would definitely say is feeling very capable. I'm in a completely different place now where any opportunity there is to be a leader, I really try to take it on, and I'm getting better all the time. I was one of the welders for the theater and for Umbala, our big playground. I'm much more willing to do things that I normally haven't done or don't do, and I have this hunger for stretching myself.
What are you making?
I'm making a zebra, and Tom making the zebra friend. We have two zebras running on the field. We're in the African zoo. I feel like I'm really taking myself seriously, and I can see it in around the people that know me as well, that I'm much more reliable, and they know they can count on me, and that feels amazing.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit